Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some lemon pepper wings. Now this is one of my favorite types of ways to get my wings done when I order wings when I go out. So I thought, let me just try my own variation at home. So let's get right to it. Now first thing, I already washed the chicken. I used lemon, lime, and I also used some white vinegar, and I patted it dry. I'm gonna start with green seasoning. Now I have this green seasoning that I made myself. I will do a video later on as to what I put in there. Next, I'm going to be adding some pepper, black pepper. Now I am gonna put at least half a teaspoon. Next, I'm gonna be using some of my complete seasoning. About a quarter teaspoon of that. I'm gonna be using some edible. That's about half a teaspoon as well. And the main ingredient, lemon pepper seasoning. And this is about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to incorporate all these ingredients together. Now always make sure when you're handling any type of meat that you wash your hands, especially with some type of antibacterial soap. Okay, clean hands. So at this point, I'm just going to cover it up with some cling wrap and let it marinate for at least half an hour so these seasonings can be incorporated nicely in here. Okay. Place this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am making a wet batter that I'm going to dip the chicken in before I coat it with the flour. So here I have 4 ounces of butter. I'm gonna use my lemon squeezer. I'm squeezing in half of a lemon in there. I'm gonna be using a little bit of garlic salt, just a little, not much. And of course, lemon pepper seasoning. Not a lot. Some additional black pepper, because I love black pepper. And a little bit of salt. Mix it around. Now I'm going to be seasoning up my flour. This is 1/3 of a cup of flour. So I'm just using 2/3 of a cup. Start seasoning. Lemon pepper again. And half a teaspoon. Black pepper. Complete seasoning. So a little bit of minced onion, just a dash. And then a little bit of garlic salt as well. Okay, I'm gonna mix this together using a dry fork. Just to incorporate all the seasonings in here. Okay, so I'm gonna dip in the wet batter. And then coat with the flour and place it on a lightly dusted plate and repeat. So I'm gonna leave it on each side for at least 5 to 8 minutes or until golden brown and flip it over. Now you don't want to put your heat too high and have one side turn too crispy too fast and not be cooked entirely through. Okay, so here is the wings so far. Now I have some of the batter. Now this is before I put the chicken in. I put some on the side. So it has lemon juice, some butter, lemon pepper seasoning, a little edible, some garlic salt, some onion powder. Yes, and some of the complete seasoning. Now I'm going to use that and drizzle it all over here. Okay. And kind of just toss it around.